Hello, fellow judges of ETH Denver 2021. Today I'll be running you through our project. My name is Philip Dumonet and I represent my team, the Cryptocorns. And we've opted to make a protocol slash financial product built on Compound. And I'd like to demonstrate our prototype MVP site here that shows what a full user experience would look like in the future. So we have here a landing page, and then here's a list of different tokens. So basically our financial product allows people to create leveraged tokens in a trustless way. Trustless tokens, leveraged tokens, allow people to enter and exit leveraged positions just by buying and selling tokens. This means that instead of having to worry about margin, collateral, interest rates, all that, all they have to do is go to Uniswap, do a trade for a token, and then when they're done with their position, they just sell it again. Very simply, and all this runs on Compound in the background, and it uses a Uniswap flash swap to be able to make a leveraged borrow from Compound. And yeah, this is the interface. So here we see a list of tokens. Now these are all the tokens that are only deployed on Robston for now, on the testnet, and these are just mock tokens. So we have the actual smart contract that is able to actually work on mainnet, and we've tested it in our local environment, which is a fork of mainnet, but we've just deployed a mock token so that the interface appears to work. So here we see a my tokens tab where the user will be able to see all their tokens and their balances, and then when they click on the token, they're able to go to the actual token overview. So this shows a bunch of statistics about the token, and then a user would be able to click here for a nice interface to create and redeem tokens. Now this interface would look as follows in a real example. So this is our mock-up that our designer made. So this is how the create and redeem interface would kind of look like, but unfortunately we were a bit short on time and we weren't able to make a complete finished project. I mean, it is a week, but yeah, we've come quite far. We've created almost an entire dApp. We've created the entire contract. We've tested it, and yeah, that's our project. It's relatively simple, but I think it solves a very important problem that many people they want maybe more exposure, or they want reversed exposure to cryptocurrencies via shorting, and this provides a very intuitive and easy way for users to get to these tokens because they just have to buy and sell, and they don't have to know any technical terms like liquidation or margin. They buy a token, they sell it, and it's all trustlessly backed, and it doesn't use any complicated derivatives in the background. It just uses simple loans, and these buttons simply direct one to Uniswap, where one can then trade these tokens. So as a user, it's very simple. They just go, they trade these tokens, and for people with more capital who can afford the gas costs, they can actually perform arbitrage by creating or redeeming these tokens for the underlying assets. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we hope you consider us for the open track. Cryptocorns out.